Hi, today I'm making chicken stir fry. I had some leftover vegetables in my refrigerator. I had a whole red bell pepper, green bell pepper, a whole onion, and three zucchini. So I took a couple of my chicken breasts out the freezer. I put them in cold water with a little bit of salt to marinate them, sliced those up, and uh, fried them up so that we could have chicken stir fry. So I've used my own seasonings to taste, and that's what I would recommend. And once I'm done with that chicken, I'm going to just saute my vegetables. That's what you see here. And I just added a little garlic powder and pepper, and then added back the chicken to the sauteed vegetables. Okay. And so the key to sauteing is that you don't want to overcook the vegetables. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, that happens, but they should be just sort of lightly cooked. I do cover the vegetables just for about 3 to 5 minutes. Add a quarter cup of oyster sauce to it and just let it sort of mix and marinate with the vegetables and the chicken. And this is what it looks like. I serve it over white rice, and it's about 15 minutes.